Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making sausage cheddar bombs. So to all my returning viewers and subscribers, I want to thank you for all the support that you've given my channel. And for my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you enjoy my videos, so that way you don't miss out on anything. So let's grab our aprons, let's get our ingredients together, and let's get started. For our bacon cheddar bombs, we are going to need the following. Breakfast sausage, I'm using hot, but if you like, you can use the regular. Block of cream cheese at room temperature, can of Rotel or diced chilies and tomatoes, sharp cheddar cheese, a box of Red Lobster cheddar biscuit mix, and Cajun seasoning. So we've got our breakfast sausage in a large mixing bowl. To this, we're going to add our quote-unquote Rotel or tomatoes and diced chilies. We're also adding in our Cajun seasoning, our package of cream cheese, which is at room temperature. Grab a little towel with my hands. Then we're also adding in the seasoning pack from the Red Lobster cheddar mix, or biscuit mix. Then we're adding in our package of biscuit mix, and then we're adding in our sharp cheese. Get that away. And now we're going to give this a good mix. So now that we've got everything all incorporated and mixed together, move this to the side. We've got us a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil, and I've got me a 1.5 tablespoon dough scoop, or whatever you want to call it. And so we're going to make this some little balls. Try and make them a little round. Alright, so we've got our sausage cheddar bombs ready to go. Now we are going to pop these into a 375-degree oven and cook them for about 30 minutes till they got an internal of 165. So these have been cooking for 30 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and get these plated up and eat us some sausage cheddar bombs. All right, so we've got these all ready to go, and we're going to have them with a little bit of ranch. Perfect. Got that perfect amount of bite. I'm going to enjoy these dude. May not be able to stop. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Once again, to all my subscribers, I thank you for all the support you give my channel. And for my new viewers, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. Until next time.